Phantom, did you see what's going on outside? Did you see what's going on outside? Come, let Mama show you. Come. Let Mama show you what's going on out here. We got another snowstorm. Of course, I have to drop the shovel. Oh, Phantom, come and see. Oh, my Lord. Come and see what's going on out here. We got another snowstorm. Mind you, he knows because he slept outside all night. Oh my goodness. Look at the snow. Phantom. Oh, he's just happy as ever. And I don't blame him. We're not looking forward to the summer, right, Phantom? See this metal frame here? This is his gazebo. And I'll be putting that together as soon as the snow melts, because I have to protect him against ticks and fleas and spider bites, which he's highly allergic to. And it keeps him out of the hot heat, hot sun as well. And he loves it. Hey, Phantom, you want to go play in the snow later with your ball? You want to go play in the snow? Look at this. Oh, my goodness. Did we get snow, Mr. Blue? Look how beautiful, though. Look at the tree. Let's see what's happening with Mama's cars. Let's see what's going on here. Oh, my Lord. My sports car is completely buried in the corner. There's Daddy's car. And there's my truck. Let's see. Oh, my goodness. Phantom, come and see. Come and see what's going on here. You don't want to come? Yeah, I'll show you. Look, your truck is almost completely covered. Oh, my, my, my. Look at that. Where are you, Mr. Blue? Look, did you see? Look. Are you a happy bear? Well, it's Saturday and I have some shoveling to do. Good thing I have a guy who cleans the driveway. This is terrible. Oh, not really terrible. It's great for skiing, that's for sure. Come on, Mr. Blue. Come on, time for breakfast. Let's go. In the house, let's go. And I got some shoveling to do. Come on. Hold on. Wow, look at these stairs. What a mess. What a mess. I need to wake up to this. All right. What you doing? You going to watch Mama shovel? Or do you want to have breakfast first? I don't know. He's got to potty first. That's what he has to do. Oh, come on, guy. You're going to have to clean the driveway or I'm not going anywhere today. Right, Mr. Blue? Phantom. You want your breakfast? Okay, I'm going in. I'm going in. Oh, there he is. You coming? No? No, that's not our guy. Oh, yeah, that is our guy. Okay, Mom's got to go move the car. Come on. Let's go. Bye, Mr. Blue. Don't you want your breakfast? Come on. There he goes. Come on, your breakfast is ready. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Stay safe. If you live in Montreal, you know what I'm going through. Ciao, ciao for now. Mr. Blue's hungry here. You hungry? No, I guess not. Have a good day, everyone. Stay safe.